and shift focus to an exclusive what we are learning as far as the mid-season rule changes that apparently has led to chaos in IPL 2025. Now, there have been certain changes to the rules that have been brought about, which includes 2 hours extra time for rain-interrupted matches. There would be no overs reduction till 9:30 p.m. as opposed to 8:30 p.m. earlier. And it seems that certain of the IPL franchisees are now irked with the changes in the rules because they believe that there is lack of clarity in decision-making by the BCCI and also have been citing certain inconsistencies while changing of the rules, saying that change of play-off and final venue, why Ahmedabad has been chosen for that. What is being said as far as reasoning that has been given on part of the BCCI, that 1 final for Wankhede in 18 seasons and 3 in 5 for Ahmedabad, as the IPL final has been moved out of Kolkata because of inclement weather conditions. Now the issue is, as far as is it now KKR versus the BCCI, and the KKR versus RCB match that was washed out on the 17th of May in Bengaluru, eliminating KKR from IPL 2025. Exactly how is this rule change, Karishma, that we are looking at, and it having its implications on the matches, because we are now looking as far as the IPL season 2025. Of course, there was a break because of Operation Sindoor, but at this time it has now been resumed. What are the hurdles and the difficulties coming across?
Well, Amita, firstly, 2 very important things. The RCB versus SRH match is slated to be held on the 23rd of May, and it has been moved to Lucknow from Bengaluru. Now, of course, Kolkata Knight Riders is miffed with this because their match on the 17th of May was washed out. And what KKR is trying to say is that if the same rule, the rain change rule was there, maybe a match would have been possible and maybe KKR would still be in the running for the playoffs, but that did not happen. The other match, which is Delhi Capitals versus Mumbai Indians today, is very, very important because it could potentially decide who is going to be the 4th team in the playoffs, and Parth Jindal requesting to move this match as well. That is not going to happen. It is going to be a logistical nightmare. But the BCCI has issued a statement exclusively to Times Now in which they say that, there are decisions that we take which will always not be favorable to all the franchisees, but it is important to note that we are making these decisions because we want a successful completion of IPL without any washed out matches due to inclement weather, and we want to give the teams that are remaining a fair chance to play, so that even if a 5-over match is possible at midnight, we have that scope of doing that. So that's exactly what the BCCI statement is saying, that because of the 1-week suspension due to the India-Pakistan conflict, which was in nobody's control and nobody saw it coming, changes had to be made, rules had to be tweaked so that the IPL could be completed, and that is why they are changing the venues as well. When we talk about why Ahmedabad, the reason for that is that other potential venues like Chennai or Visakhapatnam or Bengaluru, Mumbai were considered, but the weather reports that BCCI received from various sources showed that there is going to be inclement weather in these states from the 27th of May to the 3rd or the 4th of June, not just in Calcutta and Hyderabad, but in these venues as well. That is why they went to Ahmedabad, they went to New Chandigarh. 2 matches of the league stage are being played in Delhi as well. And, the reason why they have changed it to Ahmedabad is because it showed less amount of rain or no amount of rain. New Chandigarh also.
These changes in rules are concerned because IPL 2025 is nearing its end. However, it seems that certain franchises have been raising questions over the changes in these rules that have been brought about. The BCCI, meanwhile, is saying that there is fairness to all teams that would be given to them. For the moment, Karishma, thank you very much for joining in.